What is up, guys? It is Wyatt Brown here, and today I got another sound effects video for you. And I'm going to teach you how to make the sound of a baseball hitting the baseball bat. So when you're finished, it will sound like this. Or it will sound like that. So first, what we want to do is get the top of your mouth really wet. Like this. Then you want to suck in and put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Then pull your tongue off. And it will sound like that eventually. It will take a little bit of practice, but you guys will get it, I know. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.